children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and doing well in your home. Today, it is the video on the smart parrot story. Okay? You all of you watch it properly and understand it. If you have missed the story, then also you can understand the story. Please watch it. Once there was a parrot in a jungle. There is a parrot in a jungle. She lived in a nest. The parrot, lived in a nest on a mango tree. On a mango tree. She lived in a nest on a mango tree. Who lived? Parrot lived in a nest on a mango tree. A bear was there in the forest. The bear and the parrot both were friends. Both were friends. Okay? So, the bear also lived under the tree. The bear lived under the mango tree. One day, the bear was sleeping under the tree and the parrot was sitting in her nest. The parrot saw a hunter. The parrot saw a hunter is aiming the parrot to shoot her. Okay? The hunter is aiming the parrot to shoot her. The parrot saw it and the parrot was very smart. So she flew away. She flew away from the nest. And the hunters shot a mango. The mango fell on the bear. The mango fell on the bear who was sleeping under the tree. The bear woke up and got very much angry. Who woke up me? And saw the hunter was standing there. And the angry bear started to run behind the hunter to attack the hunter. The angry bear ran behind the hunter to attack the hunter. The hunter got scared. The hunter got scared. And the hunter fled away by sitting on his horse. Fled away by sitting on his horse. Thank you, children. Hope you like this story and understand the story. Thank you.